So the idea of picking a lock doesn't matter if it's residential, commercial, if it's a vehicle. The big idea, it's always the same. We have to stimulate the key operation, right? So we have a tension. This is the same that when we're turning the key, we're going to stimulate this. And the pick itself will stimulate the cuts and the groove that you have in the key. Okay, so we will start. If it's springy, you will never touch it, you will just leave it alone. Okay? If it's not springy, you will touch it a bit, just a tiny bit. Number 5, number 6, springy. 5 springy, 4 springy, 3, 2. So 2 is binding. You have to just touch it a little bit, and we're almost there, but not yet. 7, 6, 5, 4. The lock is picked, well, at least with vehicles. I don't know if you guys can see it. You have numbers, and when you're getting your pick the right number, it will show you the size of the groove inside. You can write it down, a piece of paper, and cut yourself the key. Again, you need to be certified locksmith for that, right? But this is the big idea, the basic idea how to pick any lock. This is a Lishi tool. You have so many tools, so many different equipments to do it. So that was the Dodge Caravan.